Is it possible that the current economic climate and the trials of deindustrialization are not just challenges but also opportunities in disguise? It's an intriguing thought, isn't it? Welcome to today's discussion on how companies are navigating through deindustrialization by strategically relocating functions and residences. Take the case of DB Cargo, Europe's largest rail freight company. In the face of deindustrialization, they've made the strategic decision to relocate certain functions. The result? A leaner, more efficient operation that's better equipped to handle the demands of a rapidly changing economic landscape. Then there's ZF, a global leader in driveline and chassis technology. They've also made the bold move to relocate functions in response to the challenges of deindustrialization. Their goal? To streamline operations, boost productivity, and remain competitive on the global stage. Miele, a high-end domestic appliance and commercial equipment manufacturer, is another example of a company that's chosen to embrace relocation as a strategic tool. They've shifted functions abroad in a bid to optimize costs and tap into new markets. And let's not forget Continental, one of the world's leading automotive suppliers. They've also turned to relocation as a way to navigate deindustrialization. Their strategy? To focus on key markets and optimize their operational footprint. So what do these stories tell us? They show that relocation isn't just a reactionary measure to economic pressures. It's a strategic move, one that allows companies to improve their cost structure, tap into new markets, and stay competitive in an increasingly globalized world. This is precisely the insight that Bernd Ferber, CEO of Tempulse.Global, provides in the upcoming book, Global Expansion, 2030 Insights. He explains that relocating corporate functions and tax-optimized residence changes abroad are part of a strategic realignment. The book is a comprehensive resource for those grappling with the complex challenges of international expansion, offering clarity through positioning and supporting entrepreneurs in making the right location choice across 64 metropolises on 5 continents. In summary, deindustrialization can indeed be a daunting challenge. But as DB Cargo, ZF, Miele, and Continental have shown, it's also an opportunity. An opportunity to reimagine operations, to tap into new markets, and to build a leaner, more competitive business. So as we navigate through these economic trials, let's remember to look beyond the immediate challenges and see the potential for strategic growth and innovation. That's the key to not just surviving but thriving in this era of deindustrialization and economic change.